Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Tasha, your teacher of English in English. As a second language speaker, I am convinced that English must be taught in English rather than in another language. And that's why I teach English in English. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the future simple tense. This is the first topic under future tense and the last and third topic under verbs. And then we'll move on to adverbs. What's the structure like? Well, it is subject followed by will and shall, followed by the base form, which is the verb one, and followed by an object. But sometimes there's no object. It doesn't matter. The first three words are important: the subject, will and shall, and the base form of the verb. For example, it will be sunny tomorrow. Now, there's no object in this sentence, but it follows the pattern. With pronouns, you just add will and shall plus the base form of the verb, like in this example. So we can say, he will go home in December. Now, when do we use this tense? There are three uses. The first one is to talk about a decision you make as you speak. Like when you say, it's warm in here, I'll switch on the aircon. You also use this tense when you talk about what you know or you think will happen in the future, but not about your intentions. So you say, there will be 5 new international staff this year. You know that there will be 5 new international staff. So just make a statement like that. And you also use this tense to make requests, promises, or offers. Like, for example, will you buy some lemons on your way home? Or we say, don't worry, we'll be back early. Now, there are 3 ways of expressing a future happening. First one is will and shall. The second one is be going to. But you only use this to talk about what you intend to do in the future. In a question form, you say, what are you going to do when you leave school? And in a statement, you say, I'm going to have a gap year and travel to Southeast Asia. And the third one is about to. You only use this when you refer to the very near future, something that's happening in a few minutes or in a couple of hours. Like when you say, go to see the HR now, it's about to go out. Or you say to somebody, hurry up, I'm about to go to class. That's all really. There's no quiz in this part because there are no changes in the verbs. Unlike when you talk about the past simple tense, you need to change the form of the irregular verbs, or you need to add d or ed to irregular verbs. But in the future simple tense, you just use the verb one, or the base form of the verb. And what you need to remember is will and shall, going to, and about to. That's all really. But if you have any questions, please write them on the comments below, and I'll get back to them in the next videos. And if you find the contents useful, please subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell. Thank you, bye, and see you in the next video.